What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Emmanuel Mount Lady from My Hero Academia, the giant woman. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. Start with our eyes. Center point of my page is about here. Come up over to the right. Start with the top eyelid line. So we will go diagonal. And then it goes across. And then it hooks down. And then just goes underneath, around like so. You gotta add eyelashes now and sort of thicken up the top eyelid a little bit, right? So you go just across again, and we add like 1 or 2 eyelashes sticking up here, and a long one out the back. And then we got some eyelashes on the bottom eyelid as well. These little spikes sticking off. Like so. So her eye, a long sort of oval circle, right, just coming down from the top like so. And then her pupil, long oval in the middle, like so. So then we have a bit of an eyelid line just here. Let's make these eyelashes maybe a bit bigger. Okay, and her eyebrows kind of in behind her mask, right? So we will do what we do. Yeah, we'll do her eyes first, and then we can do the mask and then add the eyebrows. So we go diagonal up that way. And then this goes across like so. And then again, we just bring it down around here. Like that. And then we add thickness to the top and some eyelashes coming off it as well. And then some eyelashes sort of sticking off down here too. Her iris and pupil, long oval there. And then pupil inside, long sort of ovalish circle as well. And they're like pink on the inside, they're red and then pink. So then eyelid line just going that way. So what we can see for her nose is not much. It just like curves down. Typical My Hero Academia nose, like that. And then she has a big smile, right? So it comes across the top of her mouth. It's like it's closed at the minute, but we just like open it up, come around. Like so. And then we just add some teeth just here. Maybe like a shadow just in there a little bit. So then her chin, pretty pointy chin. Just there. And then her jaw. Up the side. And then it starts to curve up underneath her hair. So we'll go up about here, like so. So her hair comes down the side of her face, so go up to the top of her forehead, just about there. So it's like that whole distance again, like, you know, so like chin to, say, middle of her eyes. That'll give you from the middle of her eyes to her forehead. So like here to here is about the same as here to here. Okay, so this and this is about the same distance. So this is your halfway point between like here and here. You just put that little V. And then her chin, or not her chin, her hair comes down this way, right? Chin. And then this hair comes down here. Right, you have another line going that way. Right, and then we'll do what we can see of her mask just inside here. So from her hair down, across to there, and then those big sort of circles on the inside. And the same thing over here. And then the bottoms of these. Like that. And then we add her eyebrow. So we can just see it coming out from behind her sort of mask here, right? And they're kind of pointy going that way. And they're real thin at the end. And then get thicker as we go down, right? And on the other side. It's kind of like she's frowning, like so. And then you may see some like hair texture lines just in here, like that. So her hair's like done. She has like, it's like she's been to the hairdressers, right? So she's got these long bands of hair that go down like so at the front. Like this one goes this way. And then they turn into these like kind of lightning style things, right? So we got like one sticking out here. Right, and then it goes out this way, right? So you see what I mean? It's kind of like lightning. Right? And like texture lines and stuff if you want. So then this here as well, right? So you got like that. Right, so then she has big blue horns. So we go there, right? And another one curving like so, and back down like that. And then she has another little bit of hair that just comes down from behind here. And this will eventually go like behind her shoulders and like down off the page, right? And this side, it goes like this way. Long flowing hair, right? But we got to do her body first. So we can see her neck, not too wide, it just sticks out that way. And then her trapezius, so like her back starts here, right? And so then she has a collar here, an orange one. This comes down into there. Like so. And then this comes out down. Like that. Do. All right, so then, what else can we see? So her shoulder, her chest. So her chest is like here, right? So she's got like collarbones, maybe that'll go like this way, right? And then her chest should curve out like from behind her hair, really. So curving there, and then another one that side, and there's like some hatching sort of in there. And then this goes up into there. And then you'll have like, you know, the sort of center lines like that, right? And then her waist goes off this way, like so. And then we have orange lines gone that way. And here as well. So that's her chest gone in there. And then she has like her shoulders, so narrow shoulders, not like overly muscular. So skinny, kind of one going that way. And then this goes that way. And then her other shoulder, her elbow kind of sticks out on this arm. It goes down off the page. She's making a fist, but it goes down off the page. There, and then she's got a glove on her arm with this orange band. And then there's like another orange section here. Right, and another orange, a little bit of orange we can see underneath her hair on this side. So body, chest, okay. So then hair flows off the page this way, right? So all these like big arching sort of lines. And then another sort of one here. And then some more that way. And then like some texture lines. All right, so that's all just like blonde hair, and there's blonde hair all in here. And I'll just erase the eyelashes that we shouldn't see underneath her hair. Right, Mount Lady. Hope it was helpful, Manuel. Thanks for the request on Patreon. Thanks for the patronage. See you in the next one.